Starting an Amazon private label (PL) business can be a great way to build a profitable online business. Here are the basic steps to get started. Choose a product. Do some market research to find a product that is in demand and has good profit margins. Consider factors like product size, weight, and manufacturing costs. Find a supplier. Once you've chosen a product, you'll need to find a supplier to manufacture it. Alibaba.com and global sources are good places to start looking for suppliers. Develop your branding. You'll need to develop a brand for your product. This includes creating a logo and packaging design that appeals to your target audience. Order your product. Once you've found a supplier and developed your branding, you'll need to order your product. Make sure you negotiate the best possible price and work out a payment plan that works for both you and your supplier. Create your Amazon listing. When your product is ready, create your Amazon listing. This should include high-quality photos and a detailed product description that highlights its unique features and benefits. Launch your product. Finally, you can launch your product on Amazon. Consider using Amazon advertising to boost your product's visibility and sales. It's important to remember that starting an Amazon PL business takes time, effort, and money. You'll need to invest in product development, branding, and marketing to make your business successful. But with the right strategy and persistence, you can build a profitable online business on Amazon.